Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. Hi YouTube. Hi friends, kamusta? I'm happy to see you all. I'm happy to see your face watching my video. And you know what? I'm so happy when kapag naglalabas ako ng mga bagong video kasi I see your face. You are so excited.
Ginagawa mo.
I hope so. Today, I'm going to make a video about what's inside my camera bag. And I'm using INSTA360ONE. But disclaimer first, they not paid me to make a review about this 360 camera. Pero ano man ang magandang sasabihin ko dito, it's all about kasi maganda talaga siya. And you know what? As I use this camera, it's very nice. Okay, without further ado, let's do the what's inside my camera bag. So sa pag-shoot ko ng video na ito, I'm just pointing the lens sa akin at yung isang lens nandun sa kabila kasi dalawang lens siya, isa sa harap, isa sa likod. So okay, so this is what's inside my camera. First, ang camera bag na ginagamit ko ay Case Logic. Isa siyang bulky bag. Yeah. Meron siyang laptop case dito sa may likod, ay laptop compartment. And dito naman ang kanyang zipper. Meron siyang ilang pouches, 1, 2, 3 zippers. So, pisahan muna natin dito. Hop. Alright. So, anong laman? Meron akong mga quick release. Quick release tayo. And ito, sobrang usable to. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero ito yung dumidikit, yung ginagamit ko siya para i-attach yung audio ko sa stand, yung mga cord para magdikit, parang ganito. And yung laman, meron akong mga zip tight lock, kung yung ba tawag dyan. Meron akong lighter here. Disclaimer, I'm not a smoker. I'm just using this for personal something baka kailanganin. And have fairy lights here, USB type, my cord, and this one is this panglinis ng lens. Panglinis ng lens. And I have a ball pen from City of Dreams. I just stole it. No, hindi ko siya ginawa. This is free. Alright, at yun dyan. In this side, meron akong mga wires, cords, and my expensive ponytail. Alright, meron ako dito isa sa kamay ko, meron ako isa dito just to preserve because you know what, my hair is growing so fast. Alright, so and on the side, alright, so what we have here, meron akong pabango na free sa kasal na pinuntahan namin na last time. And this one, galing ito sa tatay ko. This is a multi-purpose tools. Boom! You have this flyers and the multi-purpose gears na pwede mong gamitin in case of emergency. Alright. What we have here, I have this knife, like a Swiss knife. Kasi if someone try to stole my gears, no, I'm not a murderer. I'm trying to protect my gears. No, this is for important in case of emergency, you need it. I have toothbrush. This one is for my teeth. This one is for my This one is for my gears. And I have this cologne, yung mga cologne ako dito, tatlo. Yeah, that's inside this. Yeah, alright, so let's go to the main compartment. I have this, not super secured lock, but well, just in case someone try to steal my gears. Tada! Okay, so first, dito sa taas, meron akong battery case, and emergency cloth for my wait, hirap mag-vlog ng isang kamay. for my things. On this side, whoop, I have a UV lens and cloth again for my lens. Whoop. Alright, so on the top, dito muna tayo. I have this. Oops. I have this. Because you know what? I'm planning to be a magician. Well, playing cards. Disclaimer, I'm not a gambler. And I just use this to, you know, to break a boredom in my life. There. Alright, so I have this. This is very important. Kasi pag may mga dust sa lente mo, sobrang importante ito. Pakaturo ko nito. Okay. Ayan. And so, meron tayong tinatawag na Cygnus radio. Alright. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 radio. Kasi pag nasa shoot ka, importante na may radyo ka. Hey, come on. Kailangan ng battery, kailangan mo ng SD card, kailangan mo ng kausap. Alam mo yun, you have it. And, alright, on this side, meron tayong, whoop, ganito, whoop, meron tayong, dito nakalagay yung batteries, yung headset, and yung antenna ng ating mic, ay ng ating radio. And on this side, my battery. Right, andyan ang ating battery. USB case, flashlight. And this one is new, nabili ko kahapon sa isang kaibigan. Card case. This is a waterproof card case, just in case you need a waterproof. This one, I have this. I'm kinda English talking, man. I have a Rumos power bank. It's very important that you have a power on your bag. And this one. This is a Insta360 stick. Ito yung nagiging invisible. Yung kapag ginagamit mo siya, gamit ang camera na to, nagiging invisible siya. So, let's try. So, try natin siya. Lang mga kaibigan. Try natin siya ikabit. And let's see how it works. Yan. Oop. Yan. Yan. So, alright. So, pag klaseng ganyan, invisible na siya. Hindi nyo siya nakikita. Pero babala natin dito sa trying to review my okay, so dito sa side na to, ito ang ating road lapel, sponsored by GoPros. Alright. On this side, we have Zoom H1 recorder. And ito yung mga, this bag is so important. Right? This bag is so important because dito nakalagay yung lavalier, yung cord, yung headset for my road. Okay, and this is my lens, the Tamron 7200, and this is the only piece I have. There. On the side, this is my camera. I'm using Sony A7S II, the low light king. That's how they address this camera. But actually, hindi ko pa talaga natatry, hindi ko pa talaga nasusubukan kung hanggang saan ang kapasidad na kayang gawin itong camera to. But anyway, this is my baby. Alright, so there. And this is my lens. This is a crop lens, a 18-105 OSS lens, f4. This lens stay with me all the time. Ito yung pang all around ko. Diba? Right, stay there. And we have here 50mm Canon kit lens. You know what? How powerful Sony kit lens is. This is 16-50 lens, 3.5 kapag kailangan mo ng wide na pag-establish ng mga building, mga something sa mga bahay-bahay. This is powerful, right? Now, I'm not saying na hindi mo na kailangan ng mga expensive lens, but if you don't have money and and your budget, use it. Okay, so on this side, dito nakalagay yung mga charger ng ating radio. So we have four, and on this side, yung charger ng ating battery. Alright, andyan. And this one, yung ni-review natin last time. This is, what is this? What's that, Brian? What is that? This is my, wait. I'm not sure if this shows shaky kasi ako pa lang siya malikot yung pagre-record. Alright, so this is my tada lights. It's not working kasi kung nasa sa battery. So, that's it. It's all inside my bag. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like, comment kung nagustuhan niyo yung video natin. And if you like how this video goes, kung paano siya sobrang bilog, sobrang amazing, and if you have comments sa ating Insta360, let me know your comments, let me know your thoughts about this camera. And yes guys, that's for today. See you next vlog. Peace! Tignan natin kung uubra yung ginagawa natin. Whoop!